If you've been seeing ads for the Hart Sisters Naples and wondering if it's actually worth your money, here's the fast truth. At first glance, the site looks polished. It has that trendy boutique vibe and claims to be a small, locally owned shop. But once you dig deeper, there are some major red flags. Independent review platforms and consumer watchdog sites have flagged it as high risk, and customer complaints are pretty consistent. A lot of buyers report missing orders, extremely delayed shipping, poor communication, and customer support that either responds late or not at all. What's also concerning is that despite the boutique branding, many reviewers say it feels more like a questionable dropshipping operation than a legitimate established business. Ratings across review sites like Trustpilot lean heavily negative, with refund issues and lack of accountability being common complaints. So, is the Hart Sisters Naples worth your money in 2026? Honestly, no. Based on the volume of complaints and the lack of trust signals, this looks like a risky purchase. My advice? Avoid using your credit card here and shop with a retailer that has a proven reputation instead.